jacks the whole thing in. You think the thing's a big old truck? You can't even park the thing. That's what we call short man syndrome right there. It has to be lifted. Jordy's only 4'7", so.
4 o'clock, baby.
Nah. Hey, it's 401. It's 401. Yo, Monday after Christmas, and Jordy obviously still on vacation. We've been here waiting. Got my boy fucking Kurt over here. Guys, freaking taking forever. It's leg day. I'm trying to get this done. Anyways, happy Monday. It's not Monday when you watch this. I probably upload this like on Wednesday or something like that. We're supposed to film this morning, but Denzel didn't wake up. No, he woke up.
No, I was here too.
You look at Denzel woke up and did the number one goof that every filmer does. I've done before too. 90% here, and he realized he doesn't have a memory card. So I was like, hey, go home and try again tomorrow.
But we're here till.
All right, we're here, ready. I'm gonna work. I got a little bit of leg day. So today, Jordan's gonna train me legs again. Mondays are always legs. And then at 5 o'clock, I got Alex. We get some clips of that. 6 o'clock, I got Sandra. 7 o'clock, I got Eric. So he doesn't know that he's here all day, and then you gotta train too. Got you from 9 to 10. You gotta half-ass your legs, don't do them all, man. You know what? You're right. I'm gonna go home. Hey, I'm gonna go home. Hey, you know what? You're right. You're absolutely right. I'm gonna go home, guys. Change of plans. We're going to Cree Barbecue, guys. Yes.
Hey, well, I'm in the Jeeps.
We'll make it up the hill with those little 6-cylinders.
I'll pull your cute little thing with the winch.
Oh, damn. Don't let him talk to you like that. Don't let him. He said he could pull his. He has ball tires.
I believe it.
That's right. Get your ass in the gym. All right, love you, little bro. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye. This workout is sponsored by Project One and Alpha Surge. You need the pump. Don't be a chump. Project One gets it done. That's right. Say that one. Hey, Denzel, was it you that told me? He's like, why does every trainer have to have like a lifted big truck or a big
Yeah, they
car?
all drive trucks. All of them. Every single one.
Was they carrying their daddy?
Jeeps and trucks.
I drive a shiplock too.
He had a Subaru, but
They're all car guys as well.
blew the motor. Blew the motor twice, baby. We all know about that in this channel. I went through 3 LS3s, baby.
You blew the fucking brakes off your underwear.
Ooh. That's a pineapple strawberry. Try some? Oh my.
That makes me feel real sad.
Damn. All right, for round 2. I hate that guy. I can't stand him. That's so disrespectful. Who's that? What the? Oh, I'm gonna smack that in your head. And you dry scoop it? You know dry scoop it? Acid. You eat acid? Exactly. You eat acid? Big ass. Big ass booties? Big booty Judies? Go find out. Got boo-boo on his lip.
Hey, it's gym time. Stop distracting him.
Kurt said stop calling me because you're distracting me during my workout.
It's gym time. You can call him after.
Ooh. She said catch these fucking hands.
She gotta come clean so I
Oh,
can get you.
hey, he said you know what the fun? He said it's never gonna happen because you don't show up to the gym. You gotta come to the gym. To the New Year, New Me. I'm not motivated right now, huh? Alright, I want you to like see how long it takes for the pre-work to kick in until I get like boom.
Hands in the air. This is not a one, not a run.
You think that I'm running in place? Y'all really testing my patience. Right before I blow up the spot, I had to get back to the basics. What if my talent is wasted? You see what I'm lacking in placement?
Breaks? No break.
No fake round, make you feeling too plastic. Yeah, y'all feeling too plastic. They say my
Cereal, baby, I roll up cereal, right? Some Fruity Pebbles. Got shit for breakfast. Fruity Pebbles inside the oat milk. The Cocoa Pebbles and the Fruity Pebbles.
Lose my mind. Don't make me lose my mind.
just so we can use it in court. Got murdered in my legs, and now we're not done. 45, 7,500.
One opportunity. Seize everything you ever wanted.
Oh no, my legs are sweaty. Anyways, I hope really documenting this part of my journey to get to where I want to be. I'm gonna use the word physically. I don't know if that's a word right now. We're gonna worry about upper body skin removal surgery, lower body skin removal, or mid body skin removal surgery, and then lower body, which is gonna be my thighs. I'm going to have to rebuild, I would say probably 50% of my muscle because I'm gonna be out for a year. Man boobs and arms, one surgery. Stomach, back fat, other surgery. Skin, other surgery. Thighs, another surgery. So I'm gonna be out for damn near a year. 3, 6, 9, and that's if everything goes right as healing. I'm gonna have to rebuild this, but I'm pushing myself to get to where I want to be in a physically way, I guess. And then we're gonna hit the surgeries. And then we're gonna come back and rebuild it again. You know, I'm doing this not to only show everyone that this is possible. I'm doing this to prove myself that this is possible. Just 3 years ago, I was in my room depressed, lost my grandpa, over 600 pounds, ready to honestly take my life. I was borderline, I'm not gonna say borderline, I was like definitely thinking some suicidal thoughts, and that's not something I am. That's not what I represent. That's not anything I've ever thought about. And you guys know, you guys have followed me on my YouTube channel for like 6 years. I've always been a happy person. And I was just at a very dark place, and now see where I've become in 3 years, and how many people I got to motivate, and how I've got to motivate myself, kind of like gets me like a little teared up because yo, like I didn't think this was possible. I in my head said I had to lose over 400 pounds in order to look like a normal person. Today I'm sitting here at 265, and yeah, you know, if I could put my insecurities out, show my loose skin, talk about stuff that's embarrassing, talk about how girls reject me because of my weight, talk about this, talk about that, like my weakest moments in my life to motivate someone to not get to where I was, or if they did get to where I was, at least show them that it's possible to lose the weight, then I'll post my insecurities every single day so you guys don't have to have these insecurities. Don't fuck up like I did. Fix yourself now. You know what I mean? That's it. Let's get to work. I'm sad right now. Damn! Alex is here. It's Monday, so we're gonna do a leg day with him. It's actually a leg day for all my clients. Just helping some clips. My busiest day today. I got Alex from 5 to 6. I got Sandra 6 to 7, Eric from 7 to 8, and in between I got a train Giselle, and I just took on 3 more clients. Heavy modified team is growing. Damn, I forgot what I was gonna say. Let's go train it, Alex. Alex just told me, hey, I know you ate bad this weekend. You wanna know why? Because you just hit your inhaler 3 times before you even started a workout. You haven't even hit that thing in like weeks. So my boy Alex, been training him for a while now. How many rounds you done? 30? Would have been like 35, 38, but my boy has some tamales this week, so we're gonna do a majority leg day, but I'm also gonna give him some like hits in between. Do majority leg workouts, but I'm gonna start him off with 3 hit workouts, get his heart rate going, and he hates them. So I'm making him do everything he hates right now because I'm happy that he was honest, but I'm a little disappointed that he indulged this weekend instead of just having a little bit of tamales. But I'm glad he was honest. Now we know what to do. I know we give him a lot of high cardio workouts to kind of burn off some of those extra calories that he had over the weekend. So I appreciate your honesty, but you're gonna hate me, so let's go.
Stay lifting with this dude.
Here's my barber, here's my barber. Oh, that's right. My next victim. We'll get some clips of that. Yeah. I know this fool ate like shit this weekend. I can tell by his face. That fool's a little bloated in the face. Ah, look at him. Make sure you save for those clips because he makes some nice faces. Right now, like my own, like you've seen right now, my own struggle is stopping when it burns. I'm learning, and every single time I stopped, Georgie was adding more stuff to it. With Alex, he pushed himself to a certain limit, and then he thinks he's done, but he's really not. He has more. Because once I get on him, he keeps moving. So what I want to do right now is really focus with him, and like he's shown me he can do more. So every single time he stops from doing this rep, and he's not, I see he still has more in him, but he's just stopping because he's telling himself stop. Then I'm gonna have him drive me there and back. I want him to know that it's not okay to stop when it hurts. It's okay to stop when you're done. And like you've seen over there, I was doing the same thing. So I'm practicing what I preach. I kept stopping, Jordy kept adding more stuff. I kept stopping, Jordy added more time. When I kept stopping, he added more reps. And we have to start pushing ourselves and realizing that we're becoming our own brick wall. We're telling ourselves to stop. No one's saying we need to stop. Our brain and we're telling our brain to tell ourselves to stop. And then we stop and we give up and we have so much more to give. You see, Kurt came over and pushed me. I had way more to give. I thought I only give you 10 seconds. I did like 16 seconds. And that's what I want him to learn. You know, he's my youngest client and he has so much time to really fix himself, and he's starting at a young age. I like to see it, but I want to keep pushing him because he can do more, and I want him to show that he can do a lot more than he feels he can do. So that's all. Mr. Warm-Up is now on his last couple sets. Look at him. He's warmed up. He's warmed up. Follow him on OnlyFans, baby. Woo! That's right. Catch that fucking hero, man.
Don't cheat yourself over the weekend. It ain't working.
This fool said he has 50 tamales. I seen it on his face. Hey, he did the same thing I did. He's like, oh, I can't. We weren't filming because Denzel's working out right now. He's like, I can't, but he did it. He repped out the last 10, you know what I mean? That's one of those things, like when I keep saying get out of your head, that's what I mean. Stop telling yourself you can't do it, because then you've already lost. Sandra? 20, no, 30. That was 30. 25 or 30? She's down between 25 and 30. She's killing it. She walked in today and I noticed the shirt. So she wore the shirt, I believe, like the first week she came in. And I looked at her, I'm like, you lost more weight. And she said, yeah, she lost another 5 pounds. So she's either down 25 or 30. We don't know. We really don't go off the scale, but when I can notice it, and other people complimented you. She didn't come back for Christmas bloated. Alright, so you gotta finish your leg lifts, and he's gonna start his warm-up. Ready? How are you feeling after the last leg day?
Good. Surprisingly good. Not that sore, to be honest.
What workout do you think you're doing today? Just try to guess.
I hope. Arms.
Try to guess. Try to guess again. Guess again.
I'm gonna do legs again.
Yeah.
That's right.
I'll get it.
I have no legs. I want to let you know, you'll see the video. I died today. I touched out Jordy and everything. I was pissed, bro. I was pissed. Oh, I was pissed. I was big, man. I'll be a little crybaby. Comment down below if you think I'll be crybaby. Shut up. All right. I have feelings too. It's your second week, right, Eric? Yeah, because he was in the first video. He was in the first, the last 65. Oh, my boy fell off a little bit. Took a 4 month hiatus. Was it 4 months? Yeah. 4 months. How much you gained in 4 months?
How much?
Dang! Nah, but he hit me up. And he was like, I'm probably the last person you want to talk to. I was like, why would you be the last person I want to talk to? Like, it's okay, you fell off. You didn't quit, you fell off, everyone falls off. You didn't quit on me, you didn't fall off on me. I'm still here every day, viewing, so we talk back and forth. And now he's in. Just want to show people training, people putting the work. Everything you need in the description. You need an app to track your macros, the first 4 maps in the description. You want to set up a Zoom call to go over your nutrition, your 22 goals? In description. You want to send me a text? In description. You want to find out how to get a good filmer, get some B-roll for your whatever your business is? In description. Everything is always in the description. If you guys ever see a comment on the video that says, yo, how do I contact you? Let them know in description, please. Comment down below what you want to see. I do want to show more of my outside life, not just in the gym, like you guys seen in the last video, but Denzel is busy on the weekends, so I only got him on the weekdays. But I'm gonna get him out on the dirt bike track one of these weekdays. I think I'm pretty good now to show you guys. I'm actually jumping now.